Sanbonan, I need your help. Niyangazi ngiyaphapha niyangazi ngiyaqambukela niyongicorrecta makuthi ngihamba wrong. Myself and advocate Sisanda would like to use our resources to help the gentleman oshonele ubaba wakhe lo ongafuna ukulanda ubaba wakhe emakhazeni to get an ID. Now, asazi exactly how, because asazi isimo sakhe sonke. So the reason why I'm doing this video is because I'm asking anyone who has contact information wabhuti to please give it to us. Noma kuthiwa umakhelwane owesingamfonela ukuthi nje sikwazi ukuxoxa nobhuti to get full information bese siyabona ukuthi ID kabhuti siyenza kanjani. Kodwa esikwaziyo is that we want to use all of the resources we have, all of the people that we know, ukuthi ubhuti athole i-ID so that he can be in peace and he can have a bank account. Because ngiyanizwa nisifuna ukudonate imali sizoyifaka phi leyo mali ngoba ubhuti akana account. So sidinga ukwenza ID khona soba ne-account. Ngiyabona khona nosisi uthi ufuna ukufaka 1,000, abanye bathi ngifuna ukufaka 500. Guys, yes, asifakeni imali simnike ubhuti akwazi uqala isasa eliqhakazayo, but he needs to have a bank account. And so I'm hoping that there's also someone from a bank somewhere that's watching, that's gonna go, hey Tom, we can open a bank account the moment that I don't know. Just come on, let's do something. Ubhuti udinga nesavana nje actually. Savannah, anisinika amasavana sihambise kubhuti. Yo, udinga isavana ubhuti, life has been hard. Like, you know what I mean? Like, anenzeni something. But anyway, please get me his information. We want to use all of the resources that we have to get ubhuti an ID. I hope you guys are gonna help. Thank you.
Owayesixoxela istory ngomngani wakhe wase high school owashonela ubaba wakhe. Loyo baba loyo was an absent father. I mean, totally absent, did not contribute in any way in her upbringing, nothing. Washona ke loyo baba. Kwathi seshonile ke loyo baba, a few months later or a little while later, kwaphuma isiprophet within the family ukuthi he's not resting easy wherever he is. Uyagodola, so kufanele enzelwe umsebenzi omncane ukuthi ambathiswe essentially ngoba uyagodola la ekhona. Wathetshelwa ke loyo mngani kamngani wami leyo nto wathi it's so ironic ukuthi yena uyagodola la ekhona yet esaphila la emhlabeni mina azazi ngithengile ngisho nejezi. Ngcono wena ugodola on the other side, mina engangigodola lana on earth azazi ngithengile ngisho nejezi, azi nokuthi ngangigqoka size bawo ejezi. So nje you can take that information and do what you want to do with this, kodwa mina ningangifaki. And that is a lesson to all absent parents, not just dads, not just absent fathers, all absent parents. Ukuthi when your children turn around and they say they want nothing to do with you after you wanted nothing to do with them, ningafeel some type of way. Khona abantu abathatha advantage yalento ukuthi awukho ugqomo ukulahla umuntu, family is family, whatever anybody does you need to forgive them and whatnot. Unfortunately, semhlabeni la, this is real life. Awukwazi ukuphila isinomi kanjani, uphila isilavida wena ubhunguke kini, ushiye ingane zakini, ushiye uma wakho wena, ukhonjwa koGoli, ukhonjwa koCape Town, awaziwa, nyamalala u20 years ungaziwa. Futhi mawusukubhonye kahle umhlaba, ukhumbule wena ukuthi washiya uma wakho noma washiya ingane zakini kini, unekini wena. Ikini ongalazanga for a good 20 to 30 years. Futhi nakhona hayi ngoba mhlawumbe uhambe kahle awuxushwanga, wawuphethwe kahle, wawuphethwe njengazo zonke ezinye izingane, awuhlukumezwanga in any way, shape or form, wayikhethela nje ukuthi wena uyabhunguka. Same with obaba abavele bashiya amakhosikazi nezingane, umuntu anyamalale ahamba ayohlala noma mthizeni whatever ntombi ayitholile. Uthi mawusumshaye kahle umhlaba after 15-20 years akhumbula ukuthi unelesi silima sakhe ashiya angasidivorceanga, useyagula lana useyabuyela ekhaya, uyakhumbula ukuthi yena unekwakhe alishiya, ebese kulindeleka ukuthi lowo muntu uzonakekelwa enzelwe no but ubaba wenu no. So lo bhuti lo othi yena ubaba wakhe ngiyazi amngcwabe, guys, look at it from his standpoint, how painful it is to watch your father raise somebody else's child. Kodwa wena mawudinga usizo kuyena athi nje no, aza kuthathele protection order against your own child. Manje ngoba nakhe seshonile yena sesemakhazeni sefunela landwe the very same son that he paid no attention to esaphila. Guys, angikwazi ukwenza noma yini kubantu bese ngiyadeterminisha mina ukuthi, and then people go and gaslighting that guy and saying, oh no, ngixolele, do it for yourself. Lokho engikwenzayo, I'm doing it for myself. Mangithi ngeke ngize ngimlande emakhazeni ngenzela mina because angifuni usezongihlanganisa naye the same way naye engafunanga ezomhlanganisa nami esaphila emhlabeni. Yini manje funele ngimlanda mina ngimngcwabe? Ayenze noma wathatha i-protection order isa angingasondeli eduze kwakhe. Izosona kanjani-ke manje eduze kwakhe? I'm just carrying out his wishes esaphila emhlabeni engiwaziyo mina ngaye. So guys, you can't just do whatever you want emhlabeni. That is a lesson because you can't just do whatever you want. You can't just abandon people and expect them to come to your rescue when you need it. Ayisebenzi kanjalo impilo guys.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosi waseMzansi. Kunestori lesithrendako kakhulu lapha etinkundleni zokuxhumana sabhuti wase-KZN alona 43 lo phikashikishe kokuthi utamngcwaba kubaba wakhe, uthi ngeke amngcwabe kubaba wakhe. The reason why ngeke amngcwabe kubaba wakhe akazange amendele lutho empilweni. Baba wakhe wasuka lapho wayothatha samntwana lomnye mfati mntwana entombi yakhe rada certificate of security yena akakamendisanga lutho empilweni, akakamendelanga lutho, ngisho i-ID le uthi akanayo lo bhodi ngenxa yokuthini baba wakhe akazange amendele ngisho i-ID. So lokuya usemakhateni ubabe laphayana uyasho nje bhodi kokuthi soze yena mngcwabe nkosi yami, akasoze alandzele idlodi sipoko lesibhedzako, ngeke nje azamngcwaba. Abantu abaningi bayamvuma kulo babe nesibinzi sakhe, basho ukuthi hayibo leadership. Abantu abaningi basho nje ukuthi hayibo nambe ngeke ngimngcwabe. Umuntu angazange ngendele lutho, wahlula ngisho nokuthathele i-ID aphinze lapho before afa bekangithathisele ne-protection order ukuthi mina ngingasonzele eceleni kwakhe. Umngcwaba njani vele? Abantu bathi bafuna kumdonatela kulo bhodi bamendisele ngisho ne-ID because uyinetinhlitiyo debantu labaningi lapha etinkundleni zokuxhumana. Do comment your thoughts down on the comment section. I'll see you on the next one. I'm signing out. Goodbye.